118 sub-article 3, the Election Commission has performed its duty honestly, justly and fairly. And my lords and your ladyship, I will give you lordships two examples to show that the Election Commission has not fulfilled this constitutional mandate. It has acted arbitrarily, it has acted discriminatory. Let me take your lordship to the first example. The case of the Election Commission before your lordship is very simple. The Sunni Ittihad Council cannot be given these seats because of two reasons. Number one, they did not contest the elections and did not win any general seats. And secondly, they did not submit the list of candidates. And they say these are violations of the Constitution and law, which are incurable. Now, why do I say that they have acted arbitrarily and discriminatory? Your lordships may kindly see CMA 5944 of 2024.
Filed by you.
Yes, my lord. If your lordships may kindly see page 4. (5944) of 2024, page 4.
Ji.
This is from the elections of 2018-2019. This is the election tabulation from the Provincial Assembly of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. If your lordships may kindly see at serial number 5.
This is which year?
This is 2019. What happened is that because FATA was merged, the elections to their seats under Article 106, sub-article 1A, took place a year after. Serial number 5, if your lordships may kindly see, it says BAP, it says general seat 0, 3 independents join, and they get 1 reserve seat. Exactly what is the case before your lordship. Now, your lordships, the Election Commission has justified this by saying that, sorry, that is per incuriam. That is a dishonest answer, and I'll explain why. If your lordships may kindly see the main appeal, Civil Appeal 333 of 2024. This is a point which was raised before the Election Commission at page 68. Civil Appeal number 333 of 2024, page 68. ये मेन अपील है,
निकाल के देना ही मेन
सिविल अपील
तो मेन के ऊपर रख देना चाहिए। ये 333 कह रहे हैं?
जी सिविल अपील 333 of 2024 at page 68. If your lordships and ladyship have it, this is the original order of the Election Commission denying us reserve seats. This argument was raised before the Election Commission. Did they say that that order was per incuriam? No. What did they say? Page 87. Para 29. If your lordships and ladyship have it, I'll read para 29, page 87. My lords, your ladyship, I'll read. The learned counsel for the petitioner number 1, Sunni Ittihad Council, during his submitted an example of BAP in respect of allocation of reserved seat in the KP Assembly in 2019, but on the query for provision of any order of the Commission or any document in support of his argument, the Council did not provide any material evidence or order or document to assist the Commission. The Commission impliedly is denying the existence of its own documents. If this is not mala fides, what is mala fides?
The question is whether that order was proper, correct, in accordance with law, or that order was illegal. So, forget about what the Election Commission says. Whether that order was in accordance with law?
Yes, yes. It was in accordance with law because as I have submitted before your lordships, section 104 and neither article 151 requires that the schedule for submission of list of candidates has to be given before the elections, or that a new schedule cannot be given. Your lordships have seen the document.
Senate Council,
Yes, Mal.
was that notification of returned candidates of BAP
Yes.
ever contested or challenged?
No.
So the Election Commission ought to, it is presumed that the Election Commission also knew that
Yes.
there was, they were returned candidates.
Yes. इस ऑर्डर के दौरान ही कह देते सॉरी हमसे गलती हो गई, वो पर इंक्योरियम था, आप उसको साइट नहीं कर सकते. दे हैव कंप्लीटली डिनाइड एज इफ दिस डॉक्यूमेंट्स डोंट एग्जिस्ट. That is this just? Is this fair? Is this honest? That's my first example.
फैसल सिद्दीकी साहब ये बताइए कि
जी सर।
क्या बाप पार्टी ने इलेक्शन में हिस्सा लिया था?
बाप पार्टी ने खैबर पख्तूनख्वा के इलेक्शन में हिस्सा लिया था लेकिन सीट्स नहीं मिली थी.
कोई सीट उनको नहीं मिली,
नहीं, सीट नहीं मिली थी.
लेकिन उन्होंने इलेक्शन में हिस्सा जरूर
इलेक्शन में हिस्सा लिया था. जी
लिया। आपका केस थोड़ा सा मुख्तलिफ है.
जी.
आपके केस में जो SIC है उसने इलेक्शन में हिस्सा नहीं लिया था,
जी.
लिहाजा किसी हद तक के आपका केस मेरे हवाले से
जी, जी.
डिस्टिंग्विशेबल है. खैर अभी आप अपने आर्ग्यूमेंट कंप्लीट कीजिए, उसके बाद अगर इसको थोड़ा सा आप वजाहत फरमाएंगे तो अच्छा हो जाए.
इसमें थोड़ा सा ऐड कर दूं कि क्या ये जो बाप पार्टी थी, नाम भी अजीब सा है, बलिस्तान अवामी पार्टी,
जी.
तो क्या उसने ऐसी कोई प्रोविजन है कि अगर कोई पार्टी इलेक्शन कंटेस्ट करे पाकिस्तान के बाकी कुछ हिस्सों में सीट्स ले दूसरे सूबे में ना ले और बाद में उस आज़ाद उसमें शामिल हो जाए, तो क्या वो पार्टी पहले से एग्जिस्ट नहीं कर रही थी पार्लियामेंट में?
सर कि
independent joined that party which was already in the parliament.
Sir, no, it was not in the assembly of the Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. That is the case of the election commission. If they had taken the stance that they have taken the stance this order is wrong, if they had said no, they contested, as your lordship has rightly indicated, that they contested elections in other provinces and the National Assembly, that is why we issued this second schedule. They issued this second schedule और वो schedule आपको दिखाया गया था और उसमें लिखा हुआ था कि हम एक नई डेट दे रहे हैं for non-submission of list of candidates. वो मैं आपको दोबारा नहीं दिखाऊंगा क्योंकि आप देख चुके. So my lord, this is a case of acting unfairly. They've acted unfairly.
Mr. Siddiqui, you said that word quite a few times. Please now.
बिल्कुल. I move on to my second point.
No, I have a question.
जी sir.
So we are bound by the interpretation of the Election Commission. Is that
No.
Is this a rule of interpretation?
No. That is not my.
Wait a second.
जी.
Are you want us to take judicial notice of this fact?
No. That is
Why
not
are you
my-
referring to it?
I am referring to because I'm showing to you.
Last and not least, if at all, who would have this seat gone to? Let's assume BAP is not there. So if you want us to open up the elections of 2018, we can do so, but you cannot just pick an isolated incident and tell us that it's binding on the Supreme Court or that is the correct interpretation of the Constitution. That's a very novel way to argue a case.
My lord, that is not my argument. All I'm trying to show is the arbitrariness
Hey, forget
and the
that.
unfairness
Why
of
don't
the
you
election.
attend to the case?
But that is all I'm trying to show. My second example of being unfair and arbitrary.
They're most unfair. Let's assume that. So will that change the interpretation of the Constitution?
Because your lordship has again
हाँ, जाइए ना।
because your lordship has again and again said, why should we intervene? One of the reasons why your lordship should intervene, if your lordship see that there is a kind of institutional hypocrisy at the heart of the election commission, they are discriminating against certain parties, that would be a
जो
ground for
2018
intervention.
के इलेक्शन थे वो सही थे. They will go there, then don't open these boxes which will embarrass you.
We are looking at this. So let me come to my second argument. The second argument is, my lord, their example that the reason why we should not be given reserve seats as far as non-Muslims are concerned is because there is this clause in our constitution which says that minorities cannot be amended. Now, this is what the ancient Greeks classically.
ये तो रीजन नहीं थी, ये तो उन्होंने यहाँ
तो
का
नहीं है।
बताया.
This is not the
नहीं है।
reason in the
और सर-
impune order of the election
नहीं
commission.
है,
They have
बिल्कुल
only-
आपने सही
वो
कहा.
issue
लेकिन
नहीं
सर
है।
ये शो करता है कि देखिए ये वो एंशियंट ग्रीक्स कहते थे कि when you can't attack the argument, attack the person. It's an ad hominem attack.
तो एशियन ग्रीक्स ने आपको कहा है कि ये अपने रखे निकाल दें आप उसमें से अगर
सर, मैं एक example
ये
दे
अच्छी
रहा
बात है आपके हिसाब से, ये आईनी बात है.
मेरे
आपके हिसाब से अच्छी बात है.
मेरे हिसाब से अच्छी बात तो नहीं है. मेरे
आईनी बात है. हमने 2 प्रोविजंस आपको रेफर किए थे आइन के.
जी सर, I reserve my
You're not
opinion.
entitled to reserve. You have to answer.
No,
We can reserve.
my answer is no. I reserve my opinion on the issue of constitutionality. I
We are
don't think
asking
it's a
your
good.
opinion.
I don't think it's a good thing, but it shows institutional hypocrisy on the part of the
So what
election.
about yourself?
सर, JUIF की सेम क्लॉज है. मैं उसके पेज आपको दिखा.
देखिए पहली बात,
और उनको माइनॉरिटी की रिजर्व सीट दे दी है.
नहीं पहली बात उन्होंने कहा कि हमारी ऐसी कोई
मैं
प्रोविजन
आपको दिखा देता हूँ.
चलिए वो हमारे सामने
आप फैसल साहब you try to understand this is not the ground for non suiting you.
मैं सिर्फ आपको दिखा रहा हूँ सर.
Not the ground.
साहब
Election
आप
commission
आर्ग्यू
के
करें
order
ना
में है ही
आइन पे.
नहीं
अब
ये
ये इन
चीज़.
चीजों में आप जा रहे हैं.
The only
not
thing
mentioned.
is,
We have noted. We have
lordship must
चलें
see
ओके फाइन.
the unfairness of the election commission.
Why should we see the ground which is not mentioned in the impune order?
ठीक, मैं सर एक पेज लिखवा दूं आपको
जी.
बस. CMA नंबर 5944 of 2024. Sorry, 5914 of 2024, sir. 5914 of 2024.
ये आपकी
जी सर. मैं सिर्फ पेज नंबर लिखवा रहा हूँ. इस पे पेज 12 पे JUIF का शुरू होता है कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, और एग्जैक्टली वही क्लॉज पेज 16 पे. And they have been given 1 reserve seats for non-Muslims. Let me move on.
कौन सा पेज है?
Sir,
पेज
पेज 12 से शुरू होता है and पेज 16 पे वो क्लॉज है. उसका वो भी क्लॉज नंबर 3 है, नंबर 1.
पढ़ दीजिए.
जी. हर बालिग मुसलमान जमीयतुल उलमा इस्लाम का रुकन बन सकता है, बेशक वो बेशर्ते वो जमीयत के अखराज और मकासद से मुताबिकत हो, मुत्तफिक हो. थैंक यू सर. थैंक यू सर. लेट मी मूव ऑन टू माई नेक्स्ट पॉइंट माई लॉर्ड.
तो आप क्या कहते हैं, जमीयत को नहीं मिलना चाहिए?
हाँ
जमीयत को नहीं मिलनी चाहिए ऐसी सीट?
सर, मैं कह रहा हूँ हैव अ फेयर क्राइटेरिया.
नहीं
भैया आपका मौकिफ सुनना चाहते हैं.
सर, मिलनी इस केस में तो नहीं मिलनी चाहिए बिकॉज दे आर नॉट एंटाइटल्ड इन टर्म्स ऑफ प्रोपोर्शनल रिप्रेजेंटेशन.
ठीक, आगे चलो.
But let me move on to my next point, my lord, which is I've been puzzled by the example by Justice Mansoor Ali Shah about independents winning, and whether that is really a fictional example. It's actually not. It has actually happened in one of the assemblies in this case. If your lordships may kindly see CMA number 5840.
प्लीज इस पे कामरान मुर्जा साहब ने वजाहत दी थी कि ये फोटोकॉपी में मिस प्रिंट है और ओरिजिनल में ये प्रिंट ऐसा नहीं है.
अच्छा.
ओमिट ना करें इस बात को.
जी, वो वजाहत हवा में थी, अभी तक कोई कॉन्क्रीट एविडेंस. जब आ जाएगा तो फिर मैं भी वजाहत दे दूं. मैंने ये उनकी वेबसाइट से डाउनलोड किया है और मैंने कल भी चेक किया था, यही है. और कोई और क्लॉज नहीं है. कामरान मुर्तजा, to be fair to him, he said there is some other clause which deals with minority. There is no other clause. If I may come to CMA number 5840 of 2024. This is by the Election Commission of Pakistan.
CMA number
5840 of 2024. The fictional example is actually not a fictional example. It has actually happened.
By the way, since you're on this point of Muslim, non-Muslim,
जी
you only permit Sunnis in your party.
नहीं, ये तो वो नहीं
आपका नाम है, मैं इसलिए पूछ रहा हूँ.
सर, लेकिन ये क्लॉज कोई नहीं है, मुसलमान है जी.
बाकियों को आप मुसलमान समझते हैं?
नहीं सर, हम सबको मुसलमान समझते हैं.
5840
5840 of 2024. This is by the Election Commission.
जी, कौन सा पेज?
Sir, page 54.
जी, क्या दिखाना चाहते हैं?
जी सर, ये खैबर पख्तूनख्वा असेंबली में अगर आप देखिएगा, इंडिपेंडेंट्स के अलावा जिनकी 91 सीट्स थी,
ये कौन सा इलेक्शन है?
ये 2024 का, जो बाकी पार्टीज हैं उनको सिर्फ 18 सीटें मिली हैं इन ए हाउस ऑफ 115.
What page?
पेज 54.
जी,
In a house of 115, they have got only rest of the parties.
you said it once.
18. उनको रिजर्व सीट्स कितनी मिलती हैं? 30. 26 वुमेन, 4 non-Muslim. This is no longer a fictional example. It has actually happened in this case. This disproportionality. एक और पेज अगर मैं आपको दिखा दूं काइंडली, पेज 47. When it comes to National Assembly and women's seats from Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, page 47. अगर पेज 47 पे देखेंगे तो नेशनल असेंबली खैबर पख्तूनख्वा वुमेन सीट्स के हवाले से PMLN 2, जमीयत उलमाए पाकिस्तान 2, पीपल्स पार्टी पार्लियामेंटेरियंस 1. PMLN को 2 सीटों के अवज़ 5 सीटें मिली.
What is the point you're making? Are you saying the constitution should be interpreted on the basis of fairness or by the text of the constitution?
By the text, and the text says proportionate representation. That is my case before you.
Of the list.
जी, no.
आपका तो एक सीट भी नहीं है ना?
जी, doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Here it's a question
अगर
of.
आप देखिए ना, मुझे बार-बार आपसे कह रहा हूँ.
जी.
You don't even realize how conflicted you are.
जी.
Again, you are mentioning PTI. You are not PTI.
No, I'm not mentioning. I'm
Yes,
simply.
you are. All the points that you made so far are regarding.
I am trying to show the disproportionality. और ये और clear हो जाता है by a very interesting clause in the Election Act, Election Rules 2017. अगर आप Section 96 देखिए,